At EAV. Are you familiar with EAV?
Hindi po.
Electroacupuncture with blindfold?
Yeah, I've done that. I've done that. Electricity.
So kung wala siyang energy, kung ang prana niya, ang ki niya is very weak, there's nothing you can do. You cannot measure anything.
Ano po ito? Sound or ano po?
This one naman, it's the...
Is it more of frequency?
It's more on the frequency at that level na, because everything, even this one, inanimate, exudes energy and it has frequency. So in fact, tayo daw is consists of a body of light. Light lang tayo. Ilaw. So, yun ang study lang, mga photon bodies. Are familiar with photons. So, using that principle, they were able to develop sa una sa Soviet Union times. They were sending people sa space for long, mga months, not weeks, but months. So, up there, sometimes they need some medical attention or problema dyan, doon, because they are trying to pull their ihi. Inumin natin. Because they don't have a good supply of water, right? So, ang nangyari ngayon, if you are allergic to penicillin, and I'm taking penicillin because I need it, they once I urinate, and we pull, drink together, cheers, you'll be affected eh. Allergic ka sa penicillin eh. So, you came up with this idea na you should develop a medical modality not based on chemicals. So, they came up with this bioresonance. So at first, during Soviet Union, just like the laser, it was classified information. So yung mga doctors na high-rank doctors and mga generals lang may private. So after the dissolution of Soviet Union in 1989, 1991, so Russia became Russia, then Soviet Union dismantled, Ukraine became Ukraine. So naging commercialized na. So that's why it is available to us now. Yung mga technology like laser. Diba? Ito namang laser, ang story dito, during the time na sino ba yung malaking tainga na Speaker of the House?
Sino? Sa Star Trek?
Divinisha. During the time, Divinisha, they have this agreement with the Soviet Union, not Russia, exchange technology.
Really? Time divination?
May sulat ang Congress dyan to invite this Russian guy, inventor of this technology, to come here and introduce his invention. So, clinic sila sa veterans. And then, syempre, ako ang cardiologist. Galit ako because yung pasyente ko does not come back na eh. So instead bypass, just like General Ermita, wala nang bypass, di ba? Nag-laser lang siya. So among the siblings, siya lang walang bypass. So galit sila. So eventually, nag-demo sila, pinatalsik nila yung Russian. Balik sa Russia. So wise naman si Congressman, Assemblyman Rocky Ablan. So, they brought this guy to his unit sa yung Magkapag-Alabin nyo. May dalawang old condo na rin natapos yan. They have the clinic there. So, doon, mga general, yung mga asawa ng mga general, like asawa ni Biroya, yung mga yung gamit na yung laser. Si Imelda. Pero mahal doon eh. I remember yung package nila, 8 sessions. It was 28,000. It was in 2005.
So during that time pa pala po, that laser is already available na ni Marcos?
Wala pa.
Hindi pa kay Boy?
Wala pa itong clinic na.
I'm sorry.
Oh. So that was in 1984. So after that, 84, 94. 94 yata. So, Yun ang start sa laser history sa. And ngayon, available na siya 1.5